brake right here, it has to be on. So all the way up is on, all the way down is off. And then you pull the choke up like this, turn the key, and then push the choke back down like that. Now I'm going to show you how to ride it. So what you're going to do is push this one, push the right one forward, you go left. Push the left one forward, you go right. Push them both forward, you go forwards. Pull them both backwards, you go backwards. Okay? Now I'm going to show you. Okay guys, there's a couple more things that I need to show you. This, pull it up, turns the blades on, push it down, turns the blades off. This is the choke. This is to control how fast it goes. All the way forward is as fast as it can go. All the way back is as slow as it can go. That lever right there is to raise the deck to know how much you want to cut. This is what I mow with my 0 turn. I break it up into about an hour a day, and it takes me 5 or 6 days to finish all of this. Make sure to always wear ear protection when you're mowing the lawn, because after a while it'll damage your ears. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see the next video that comes out. And anything you want me to do, just leave it in the comments below. Bye.